Struggling to move or rotate your camera is something that all GoPro users are very familiar with. You're all about action. You have places to be, adventures to have, and videos to take. When you're on the go, you want all your accessories to keep up with you. You need a camera mount that's as quick as you are, not one that'll slow you down. Let Switchback be your solution. Created by BOCE Incorporated, Switchback is an innovative camera mount that provides all the versatility an action enthusiast needs. Switchback makes use of a quick-release spring pin mechanism. In addition, it incorporates the 3-prong connection, making it universally compatible with action camera mounts. The intuitive design of the Switchback allows users to quickly shift from one base to another in a matter of seconds. Switchback makes it easy to transfer your camera from one base to another, so you never waste footage. It's also easy to switch your camera between friends. The current Switchback is procured using 3D printing technology. The pin is made of aluminum, and a spring of medium strength is used to hold it in place. If funded, the Switchback will be plastic injection molded to increase the strength and create a smoother, more polished product. So let Switchback make your adventure greater. Let its versatility enhance your fun. Always be ready for the next perfect shot. Don't let anything slow you down.